That's why I won't need it. It's just a switch, it flips down. We're not going to break anyone's equipment.
Where?
You walk out like a woman in suffering, wanting but not tell me why. You come along letting all of us savor the moment.
And it's time to start the intro, guys. Guess what? I can. For the sound check, yeah. My backtracking will be excellent. Oh
He's
shit!
just
I
happy
went the
to
wrong way.
contribute, guys.
I went the wrong way.
Whoa!
Whoa!
The world is a sound place. We are all going to die. How do you start the show? We join together. We sing our favorite songs during harmonies. Tonight, I'm jealous. How do you start the show?
I think you should be blasting the speakers well. Okay, it's about to be really loud, sorry.
How's that, boys? Thank you, Andrew.
Introducing God's favorite cover band. Please be sure you have ingested all your drugs before entering the building. Please stand at least 6 feet away from our performers and do not spread the hantavirus. First, we'd like you to meet Jacob Sterling. He is our native king. Hits the drums loud enough to wake Ned Jack himself from the grave. Second but not least, out comes Drip. He is the new bass player. Actually, their first bass player. Let's see how long he sticks around after realizing how bad they suck. Next, the shredding king from the underworld himself, Wyatt Blackwood. Please take the stage. Wyatt is ready to party with you. Is anyone as drunk as we are yet? Finally, we introduce the showman, the worst singer in southern Oklahoma, and maybe the world. Christian O'Neill, will you sing bad enough to summon Mad Jack tonight? Now that we have summoned the boys, who's ready to party? Who's ready to party? Who's ready to die?
Alright, we'll sound check for this. I'll be walking. Let's go!
Yeah, I cannot hear the guitar.
What do you think about the guitar?
I can't hear myself.
Where's your mic?
Hey, where's that mic at? It's in the back of your car, motherfucker.
Yeah, we'll do a mic check on him real quick.
Balanced.
Yeah.
But,
You can start dragging drums off.
Carry this part.
Christian, I just didn't want to crease your jacket, so I laid it on my base.